Hello my friends and welcome back to the Pencil YouTube channel. Today we want to show you one of our newest features, Agents. Agent is a focused AI chat companion with a single job, and that's helping you. Each agent is defined by the instructions that it's given, the intel and the assets that it has at its disposal, and the tools and the fun things it's able to create. In short, even beginners to AI are going to see comprehensively detailed and tailor-made outputs like they never have before. So let's take a look. So we're going to start on our homepage, and over on our left-hand side, you can see a tab for agents. By hitting that, you'll see a variety of agents and descriptions on what they're best at creating. For this example, I'm going to hit the brand strategy agent, and the first thing you'll notice is on the left-hand side, a couple of prompts to give us kind of a starting block, common things that this tool is really good at doing. So I like the look of improving brand identity, so I'm going to hit that middle prompt and I'm going to press enter. And the first thing you notice is instead of giving me kind of a copy and paste generic answer, it's going to ask me questions based on my use case. What am I really looking for? Now, if you've never ran a campaign like this before, I love that Agents steps in and kind of asks all the right questions. It really makes sure that it tailor makes the answer for me. So you don't need to write a big detailed answer here. We're just going to write really casually, a new brand, it's a coffee cup company, it's aimed at mums aged 30 to 50, and I want to increase profit. And that's all I'm giving it. And now with just that 10 seconds of back and forth, we're given such a detailed answer on tone, on guidelines, on launch plan, and that's the kind of detail you can expect from Agents. Now, of course, we can refine this even further and go back and forth on more detail and answer more questions. But what if I told you you could also use this tool to create an agent of your own? So to create a tailored chatbot of your own, we're going to go back to our Agents tab, and up in the top right, you can see Create Agent. We're going to hit that. Now we do have the option of importing from ID, creating or recreating an agent that somebody else has, maybe from another workspace or area. But today we're going to create something from scratch. So what are we making? Well, if you're anything like me, sometimes you have 5 seconds to reply to somebody on Slack, but you don't want to come across rude and unprofessional. So I'm going to type in, create an agent that rewrites my messages, but politer and more professional. And then we're going to hit create agent. You'll be taken to this next page where you have a whole host of options. The only thing you really need to do here is choose your conversational model. But besides that, you can choose a new name or go with the one that it's given you. You can go with the description that it's generated, based off the prompt that you've given it on the previous page. You can change the icon, or you can give it a couple of conversational starters. I love these conversational starters because they save me from rewriting the same thing every time I come back. So big plus from me. I also love that we're able to arm it with as much knowledge as we want it to have. Do you want it to pull from a document that you have or a brand library, maybe the stuff that you've already added to Pencil? Do you want it to be able to search the web or stay internal, visit URLs and links? That control is fully in your hands. When you're happy, we're going to hit publish in the top right, and this wouldn't be a tutorial if we didn't test it out ourselves. So let's go ahead and check out the polite rewriter. The first thing you can see are those prompts that we've provided are right there. I like that first one, it's right to the point. So we're going to hit that, and now we're going to send a little message and see how it converts. My fictional colleague Dave wants my help, but I've got too much on my plate already. So I'm going to go, Dave, don't have time for that project. Ask someone else, maybe Jim. Please don't bother me. And that's it, no more pleasantries. And just like that, an agent we created, 30 seconds ago, already has my back, and it's given me a really strong answer, as well as the option to adjust it or amend it from here. And there you have it, my friends. Whether using the wide array of pre-existing tools already on the dashboard or creating your own agent designed to save you time every day. Agents is great because it's not just this all-seeing chatbot, it's paired with the creativity and the needs of the user at the helm, and that's you. So I'm really excited. Keep your eyes peeled for new features and capabilities coming to both Agents and Pencil overall, and reach out to your Pencil representative with any questions you might have. That's it for today. Take care.